gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Oh, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Oh my God!
Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain way
storm
we are in pixels
has
on
now
the screen.
arrived. Today is his first day, the 25th of April. We was going to plan a trip out to Nottingham today. Yeah, I think that's not happening now. So I think we're going to postpone the trip. Whoa! Oh! Just caught a flash of lightning. Absolutely no chance heading out to Nottingham. Oh wow, this is going really bad. Oh. Oh dear me. Oh. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ! Bloody hell! Oh. Woohoo! Woo! Wow, look at that! Oh my goodness! Oh my God! Oh my God. Oh. Right, I'm heading inside. Yeah, it was flowing, I had to get in.
Is it hailing as well?
Yeah, a little bit, thunder. Oh my goodness. I think it's safe to say Nottingham trip out. It's not happening. Oh my neck. I had to get in, it was just too... Look, that was...
Oh my god, look at the road. On this side. The road's turned into a river.
Wow, oh look at that.
I know it's pretty nice.
Yesterday, we barely caught any storms. I think today, it's Eastern Areas' turn.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Is the road a bit flooded?
I would say at the present time we won't be, but in a couple of minutes' time when the water fills up, I think it could be, well...
A little bit flooded.
It's been a while since I've seen weather this extreme as this. I think that's payback time for the nice Easter weather we've had. Oh, did I got that?
What was it like then?
Sea to sea, cloud to clouds. Wow. I don't know whether that was a positive one or negative one. Probably
What's the difference?
positive is when lightning, well, it strikes above a certain area, like it can be right at the top of the clouds.
And negative is right.
Yeah, definitely. And also a positive thunder is more powerful than negative thunder.
I guess that's probably positive then.
I'm not sure, I have to look back on it if I caught it, because I didn't caught it on the outside view, but I caught it on the window. But that's heading towards east, towards Melton Mowbray, heading towards Lincolnshire, east of our area. And it looks like it's intensifying slightly as well.
What, over there?
Yeah.
Oh god, it's very dark over there, isn't it? Well, that was nice and dramatic.
Well, when we get those, it's actually not very common.
Well, that was nice and dramatic.
I think that's the title for this video, Dramatic Thunderstorm.
All you're going to hear is me in the background.
I will edit some bits off, so at times you won't hear much of your voice. I'll just mute it. But the action's gonna stay. A little bit of thunder. I think it's easing off now. Yep, end of video.